Good evening, everyone. I am Deboshrit Nayak, bearing and roll number of 0137, and I am presenting this project along with my teammate Suraj, bearing and roll number of 0535. We have worked together to analyze and sales data from a grocery retail chain, aiming to understand how various factors impact the chain's overall performance. The aim the aim of the study was to analyze how sales, profit, customer preference, and regional differences shape overall performance of the chain. The dataset we used consisted of 1000 transaction speed across 12 months. It had both numerical and categorical variable. The numerical variable include sales value, profit, discount applied, and quantity items sold. The categorical value, the categorical value product category like beverages, milk, dairy, household, and other, and regional like north, south, west, and east. The customer segments such as retail, wholesale, and premium. This data set was rich enough to allow us to study categorical performance, seasonal demand pattern, profitable challenges, customer spending behavior, and regional disparities. It gave us complete picture of the chain's operations and helped us draw actionable insights. Further, Suraj will explain.
Hello guys, my name is Suraj and my enrollment number is 0535. So I will tell you the inference of our study. So from there are several important observations that we have made. Firstly, when looking at category performance, beverages stood out as a top performing category, contributing like 32% of total sales or around 15.8 lakh. Snacks followed closely at 28% or about 13.9 lakhs, while household and dairy contributed less than 15% and 12%. This shows that companies' revenue is heavily dependent on just two product categories. Next, we looked at seasonality and trends. So in this, we have see that sales peaked in the festive months of November and December specifically, which were about 22% higher than the average month sales. This can be clearly linked to festivals and promotional activities. On the other hand, May and June recorded much to be the lower sales, showing that planning around seasonal demand is very important. So lastly, on profitability, we found that the average sales per transaction was about rupees 5,200, while the average profit was like rupees 1,250 rupees. However, when discounts were applied, profit margins dropped by 12% compared to 18% in months without discounts. This proves that while discounts attract customer and drive sales, they also reduce margins and create a trade-off chain must manage carefully. So further, Deboshrit will explain.
Moving to inferences, customer insights and regional insights, strategical finding and outline now. Moving to customer and regional analysis, the North region emerged as the top performer, contributing 35% of the total sales, while the South contributed 28%. However, East was the weakest performer and contributing at only 15%, while in indicates challenge either demand and supply efficiency in that region. On customer side, retail customer made 60% of the total transaction, but either average bill size was lower than 4,000. The premium customer, though fewer in number, had highest average spend at nearly 9,500 per bill, making them the most valuable segment of the chain. The From the statistical perspective, the mean sales per transaction was 5,200 and the median was 8,000, so 4,800, and the distribution was right skewed, right skewed. The standard deviation was 2,350, giving an coefficient of variation of 45%, while show that the sales was vary significantly across product and customer. The correlation analysis revealed that the discount had a positive relationship with sales volume plus 0.68, plus 0.68 uh, plus 0.68, but the negative relationship with profit was minus 0.52. Finally, we observed a few outliners with transaction above 25,000, mainly linked to wholesaler or bulk festive purchase. This extreme value can destroy average and therefore need to be analyzed separately. Further, Suraj will explain the conclusion part.
I would like to conclude the assignment done by this. To conclude, the project highlighted that beverages and snacks together drive nearly 60% of sales, making them to the backbone of sales revenue. Seasonal demand is very strong, with festive months boosting sales by like more than 20%. Seasonal demand is very strong in festive months, boosting it like I'll say like 20%, which calls for advanced planning. Discounts clearly increase sales but reduce the profit margin by nearly 6% points. So discount strategy should be managed more carefully by the organization and industries. From a regional view, the North is stronger performing while the East needs improvement through better marketing and chain supply management. In terms of customer, premium customer highlighted profitable and should be retained like loyalty programs and offer personal offers, personalized offers. Outliers like bulk festivals purchases should be treated separately while forecasting, since they create sudden spikes in the sales and the profit. And I would like to add overall, like this project shows that business analytics is powerful tool for retail chains. By identifying strengths and weaknesses, it helps management make data-driven decisions to improve sales, optimize profitability, and ensure sustainability growth. Thank you to you all.
Thank you.
And thank you.